All right, so a ratio is basically comparing two quantities. All right. For example, a mixture. What do you call the cement mixture? What do you call it? What do you call it? What is the way I mix cement? But cement is actually the actual powder that put it together. What do you call it? What's the proper name?
Mortar.
Barter. Okay. For example, a mixture of barter. All right. Includes.
Isn't it Martha? Sir, it's Martha.
Oh, Martha.
It's Martha.
How you spell it? How does it spell? Also?
Mortar.
My God. Mortar. Okay. Is this been recorded? Okay. Oh my. I forgot to edit this. Anyways. So a mixture of mortar includes say sand, water, and cement. All right. The correct proportions are needed to produce the right mix. All right. And you know, you have other examples, don't you? Yeah, man, you have so many other examples that you could use in for example, cooking, you know, baking, you know, even making alloys, ALLOYS, certain type of metals. For example, zinc. Zinc is a mixture of iron and some other stuff. All right. What about even drinks? You know, tang and all stuff. It requires a proportion, not true? Right. Persons in the mixology thing, in the bartending thing, mixologists. You have to get the proportions correct, not true? Right.
Yes, sir.
So ratio is used widely. Now we can actually express a ratio as a fraction, you know. All right. Okay. All right. So we're gonna look at a question. By the way, a lot of persons said they don't like ratio. Don't know why. Or take off this question. I must tell you that online learning is a bit slow. In a cricket club, there are 50 members. All right. So there are 50 members in a cricket club. Of which 28 are females. Determine the ratio of So write off this question for me, okay?
All right, sir.
All right, guys. So, I mean, this is pretty straightforward. So you notice that so it says female members to what? To total number of members. Total number of members, right? So female is what? 28. So it's 28 to what? To 50. All right. However, when we are doing ratio, you see, we always try to reduce your ratio to the simplest form. All right. As you can see, 28 and 50, 2 is the highest common factor, not true?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're going to divide everything by 2. All right, so if we divide everything by 2, we're gonna get what?
14 to
14 out of 25.
14 to 25, and that is our answer. All right, so I'm gonna give you 1 minute or 2 minutes to finish B and C, okay? Follow?
Okay, sir.
And remember, your answer should be in the simplest what? Form. Oshin,
Yes, sir.
you don't understand?
No, sir.
What you don't understand? Hmm? What part you not what part you not sure about?
Two over back A.
No man, you want me to do it over back? So you weren't paying attention? Because I just explained a while ago.
It did a stuck.
Okay. All right, so better you say that then rather than saying you don't understand. Better say your device was sticking, you know, because this is pretty straightforward. All right. So is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Somebody mic is open. Yeah, mute your mic. Okay, thank you. All right. Boy, because Master boy, if you don't understand this, on a 6 we are do rough. All right, so it says in a cricket club there are 50 members, of which 28 are females. Determine the ratio of females. Oh. All right, Gabriel. All right, guys, I'm gonna ask you guys to just open the mic and speak to me. All right, so some person are just joining. All right, and they want to explain.
Okay.
Right. So remember, class starts at 12 and it's 40 minutes past 12 now, here.
Oh, I'm not.
And I've been waiting for almost 20 minutes for person to join. All right. So, but luckily this is our first thing, you know. So please pay attention. So it says in a cricket club there are 50 members, of which 28 are female. All right, somebody need to mute the mic, please. Kadian. Right, thank you. So in a cricket club, there are 50 members, of which 28 are females. Determine the ratio of female members to total number of members. So how much female members do we have? Oshin, how much female members do we have?
28.
Right. All right. And Gabriel, what's the total number of members we have? Gabriel. Are you there?
Yes, sir. I wasn't paying attention.
Hey, look here, no man. Hey, look here. Time is going, you know. You can't say you don't understand if you're not paying attention. All right, guys, you have to be seated somewhere because the class gonna hold up. All right, please pay attention. All right, because I'm sure most of you will understand this, but some of you are distracted and all of that, and I can't be just going over and over and over and over again. All right, so just settle down. Miss Stone, can you mute your mic for me, please? All right, thank you. All right, so let me just go for this over again one more time. All right, so okay, some persons are sending me messages. Okay. All right, so let's do this again. So in a cricket club, there are 50 members, of which 28 are females. Determine the ratio of female members to the total number of members. All right. So the female members are 28 and the total number of members are what? Are 50. All right. So the answer is 28 to 50. But there's a rule in ratio that you always have to divide your answer in its simplest form. As you can see, 28 and 50, the highest common factor there is 2. So what I do, I divide everything by what? By 2. So 2 into 28 goes 14, and 2 into 50 goes 25. So the answer is 14 to 25. All right. Oshin and Gabriel, are you following?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so I'm sure that for those of you who would have moved on would have done B already. So it says male members, right? How much male members do we have?
32.
Right.
32.
So it's 32.
22.
28.
22.
Sir, it's 22.
Oh, 22. Sorry.
22. I'm sorry, 22.
22 to 28, not true?
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yes, sir.
B says male members to female members. All right. But then no, as you can see, we can what? We can reduce that, not true? By
Yes,
doing this,
sir.
by doing the same
Yes,
thing
sir.
again, by dividing both sides by what?
2.
By 2
2.
again, not 2. All right, and what am I gonna get?
11
11
to 14.
11 to 14.
11 to 14. All right. No, coincidentally, it's just that not all of them you're going to divide by 2. All right, it's just how the question set up. All right, C now says male members, which is what? 22 to what? The total
50.
member,
Total members, which is
which is what?
50.
50. And yet again, class, we're still going to divide by what? 2.
2.
2.
All right, and we get 11. 11 to what, class?
25.
25.
25.
Very good. All right. So I guess the key about this question here is that you always have to what? Read carefully, not true? Because
Yes,
it's,
sir.
yeah, you have to read carefully because you have to know which number go on the left hand side and which number goes on the right hand side. All right. All right. So are we clear? Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna put. Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm gonna insert a question. All right. Can you write off those 2 questions for me?
I have a question. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead for me.
When will the recording of the class be posted?
I can't say right now here.
I'm having some connecting issues, so I wanted to know.
Okay. Well, what you can do, well, I will see what I can do here. But if you don't get it, what you can do next class is to ask one of your colleagues to
Okay.
right. Or what I can do is whatever I have here, I can send in a group.
Okay.
But you're gonna need to listen to the understanding, not true?
Yes, that's why I was asking when the recording would be posted because I'd like to follow through with that.
All right. I'll let you know.
Finish writing, sir.
Okay. Anybody else still writing?
Me, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, let me give you some more time. So these are,
Me, sir.
okay. So these are more questions. All right, so I'm gonna write a very important note. So note, when we are computing, or when we are answering questions for ratio, we always try to find the value of one share. All right. It's very important. So you guys are ready now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So A says that 25,000 is to be divided among two consultants in a ratio 2 to 3. What is the amount of the smaller share? So. All right. So would you agree with me that the smaller share is 2
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and the larger
Yes.
share is what? What is the larger share?
3.
3.
3.
Right. So the smaller share is 2. The larger share is 3. And the total share is
5.
right, is 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. All right. Now, would you also agree with me? Because the question says 25,000 is to be shared among the two consultants. Would you agree with me that the 25,000 should be shared among the total? Because if the two, remember now, how much consultants we have? We have 2 consultants, and the 2 consultants sum up to what? 5 shares. So the 25,000 must be shared among the what? The 5 shares.
5 shares.
Everybody follow that?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes,
so
sir.
so let me tell you what the problem about ratio is. Trying to connect the money, all right, or the quantity to the ratio. And it's all about reading, critical reading skills. Now, let me stick a pin. Let's look at B. It says a sum of money is divided among 2 friends in the ratio 4 to 11. If the smaller amount is worth 20, determine the larger amount. Now, before we determine the larger amount, let me ask this question. The $420, which ratio is it connected to? Is it connected to 4? Is it connected
Four.
to 11? Or is it connected to 15?
Before.
It is connected to 4. Because number one, the question didn't give us the total sum of money, you know. It only says what? A sum of money.
Money given.
But we don't know that money. It's to divide among what? 2 friends. All right. So what you need to do to find the value. You have a question? All right. I thought that I heard someone saying something. All right. So as a somebody saying something? All right.
I think they're having internet challenges.
Okay, you're trying to say something, but you're breaking up.
It wasn't me, it was someone else.
Or someone else.
I'm just saying.
Okay, all right, thank you for that update. All right, so as I was saying, you see, to find the value of 1 share, you need to connect the whatever you're sharing to the share. So in A, because 25,000 is supposed to be shared among 2 consultants, to get the value of 1 share, it will be 25,000. All right, divided by 5. But part B is talking about 420. And 420 is a smaller share. And that will be connected to what? To 4. All right. So that part is what you use to find the value of 1 share. All right. So the value for A of 1 share would be what? 25,000. Everybody with me so far?
So the 25,000 would be the 4 plus the 11, right? The 15 in all.
What are you talking about? We're doing A now.
Yeah, I'm saying the 20. Oh, watch out.
Yeah,
2
we're
to
doing,
11.
we're doing A.
All right.
So to find the value of 1 share, 25,000 would be divided by what? By 5. All right. And that will give us what?
5,000.
5,000. So the value of 1 share is what? 5,000.
5,000.
All right. Now, after we find the value of 1 share, we can then answer the question. All right. So after we find the value of 1 share, we then answer the question. Question says what? What is the amount of the what? The
Smaller
share. So the smaller share is 2. All right. So since the smaller share is 2, then it is going to be 2 times 5,000, true? Because 5,000 is the value of what? 1 share.
Share.
So the answer is what?
10,000.
10,000. Quick question. Then what will be the larger share?
15,000.
All right. How did you get that now?
15,000.
How did you get the
Uh,
15?
It is a 3 times 5,000.
All right. Very good. 3 times 5.
Can do 3 times 5,000. You can also say it 25,000. Take away the
10,000.
10.
10,000.
Very good. Right.
10,000.
Right. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. Awesome. Any questions about A?
No, sir. Not from me.
No, sir.
All right,
Sir.
yes? Go ahead.
I was saying no.
Okay. All right, so part B. You guys want to try part B? Let me give you
Sure,
2
sir.
minutes. Let me give you 2 minutes to try part B.
All right, sir.
All right, anybody work on work it out? Okay, I'm seeing,
Yes, sir.
I'm seeing Donny saying 308. Is 308 correct?
308 is correct for the larger amount.
All right, very good. So basically we find the value of what?
One first.
One.
One share.
Yes. And then you times it by 11.
Right, and the value of one share, remember, you know, this part is a very critical part, so you have to read the question carefully. So because the smaller amount is 420, and the smaller amount will connect with the 4 because the 4 is a smaller share. All right. So what we do, we divide what? 420 divided by 4. What's 420 divided by 4?
210.
105.
105.
105.
5.
Ah,
So
I see what I did wrong.
right, so the value of one share is what? 105. All right, so to get the largest
Also,
share, yes? Somebody saying something?
no, me did divide it by 15 to get one I share.
That's what I
Right.
thought also.
Okay. Now, why would that be wrong?
Because you don't know the full number.
We don't know what the total amount was, you know.
Mhm. So I think X out the right answer because I thought that they were correct.
Okay,
Uh,
all right.
So
So
we're divided by the ratio we're working with then.
no, yes, because you have to read the question carefully. Do we know what the sum of money is?
No, sir.
No,
No.
no,
no, sir.
it says the small amount is 420. So we can't divide 420 by 15. All right. Are we clear on that?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So,
Okay.
right. So determine the large amount. So since we know the value of one share, since the larger share is 11, we say 11 multiplied by what?
105.
105.
So the total would be 1,260, but the large amount is $1,155.
All right. So answer you. What is 11 times 105?
$1,155.
Say that again.
1,155.
Okay. Are we good? What follow?
Yes, sir.
So this would have been our answer.
The connection had cut out on my side, but I'm trying to catch up though with you guys.
Okay. Let me ask a question. What would be the total share?
$1,260.
All right. So all you need to is just add what?
1,100.
The largest share.
120 plus
Right.
100 and 1,150.
You see it now?
Yes, sir.
I'm highlighting all the answers, okay? All right. I want you guys, I'm gonna insert another question, but because
Not full.
I have to be taking them from somewhere else. That's why I have to unshare.
No.
All right, can you see this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, part of B cut off. I will tell you what to write. So write off those two questions.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't even see the answer for B a while ago.
All right. Hold on there, hold on. Let me write off his question first, here. Guys, beg you 1 minute, beg you. I don't understand how this thing not. I don't understand how this thing. When I download it. Oh, so happen. So it's what happened when I spin it around the other way. See, part I just cut off. But anyway, still, or so it's not a lot.
We're seeing the questions clearly, and nothing is cut off on our end.
Oh, I know what's happening. I know what's happening. Is this thing here blocking me? Part of mine is blocked off. That's what happened. I'm going to insert it in the Word document, yeah? Sorry about that.
Probably on the other page, sir.
Oh.
Sir,
Yes?
Camelia here, just a question. These questions that you're posting, are they in the textbook?
You mean the book that you bought or the big?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
The books that you bought from me, you see, the questions are a bit
Yes,
different.
sir.
They're a bit different. So what you can do is to do additional work and read through them. You understand?
Okay.
Yes. As a matter of fact, you try them on your own, and the answers are at the back.
Yeah. Okay.
So is part two, was part three cut off a total percent of the total amount that I'm not seeing anything else.
I won't tell you. I think it's what Maria received. Hold on. Right. So that Maria receives. All right. So answer. So you notice this question is structured what? A little bit different, not true?
Yes, sir.
So it says a sum of money was to be shared among 3 friends, Albert, Bruce, Christine, in the ratio 3 to 7 to 10. If Christine received $4.95 more than Bruce, determine the sum of money shared. All right. Now, let me ask a question. Yes or no? How much money Christine have? Does Christine have $495?
Yes.
sir.
No, I didn't say
No, sir.
it. More than
Say
Bruce.
Christine
Have
received
more than
495.
Bruce.
Oh,
All right. So I hear one bag of noise a while ago. I'm not sure what it was. Let's go again. Yes or no?
Christine has more
Does
than
Christine have $495? Yes or no?
no.
No. All right. Chad, why does Christine do not have $495?
Because it's saying, because the question is saying that Christine has $495 more than Bruce.
Bruce.
And we don't know that we don't know Bruce's money or Christine's money.
All right. I know, so sometimes we talk about these things every day though. So you and your friend are spar, right? Some of you probably at the bar, game shop, internet cafe, or the salon. All right. And your work for your friend say, boy, you know, so me have 10 grand more than you. All right. So if I say I have 10 grand more than you, does it mean that I have 10,000? No. It doesn't mean say me have 10 grand more than you. But obviously you must know how much other person have, not true? To say that.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to know, say boy, you know.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So since we get that out of the way, all right. Now I want you to look at the ratio 3.
Excuse me, sir. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not seeing anything. All I'm seeing is the persons who are online.
All right, look for my name. Look for my name and pin and using a tablet or a phone or a,
You
what
can
else?
probably swipe to the right. Swipe to the right of your screen.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Okay. Somebody saying that the answer for number 1. All right. Somebody wants to look at that. 1 minute or 30 seconds. Look at that.
It's already, you can skip.
Can skip. Okay. All right. Cool. Thank you. All right. So you are going to know. So now that we know that Christine get $495 more than Bruce, and we cleared up the fact that Christine don't have this amount. All right, that's very important. You know, she don't have that enough fair money. She does have that amount more than Bruce. All right. No, let me ask a question. We have my Albert, my namesake, Albert, Bruce. Albert and book, you know. Albert, Bruce, and Christine are in a ratio. So would you agree with me that Albert is 3, Bruce is 7, and Christine is 10? Would you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Yes.
All right. So watch out now. Look here now. Now, would you also agree with me? Listen carefully now. If you look, remember, this question is really about Christine and what? Bruce.
Bruce.
So Bruce is 7 and Christine is 10. What's the difference between 7 and 10?
3.
3. All right. Hold on here. Hold on. Now, would you agree with me that since the difference between Bruce and Christine is 3, would you agree with me that the 495 to get the value of 1 share, you're gonna have to divide it by this 3.
Yes, I would.
Yeah,
Yes.
because the 495, you know, represents the difference between Christine and Bruce, money-wise, not true? But ratio-wise, it is between what? 7 and 10, which is what? 3. Do you get that?
Sir, you subtract it. You subtract it.
Okay, say that again for me, please.
Did you subtract it to get the 3?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Difference between two numbers you subtract. Or in other words, would you agree with me that Christine get 3 more points? You saying something? You saying something, miss?
No, sir.
Hey, look here, no, man. All right. So it's like Christine will not get 3 more points more than what? Bruce, not true?
Right.
Let me ask a question. How much more points does Bruce get more than Albert?
4.
4. So the difference between 3 and 7 will be what?
4.
All right. However, this question is talking about
Sum of money.
between, well, money where Christine get more than what? Bruce. All right. So the point I'm trying to make is that the 495, all right, would be between the 7 and the 10, which would be what? 3. And we need that information to get the value of what? 1 share. All right.
Mm-hmm.
We follow?
Yes.
All right. So sometimes, boy, if you miss class, you know, and you see solution, you wanna where the number you come from, you don't know. So the value of 1 share would be 495 divided by 3.
3. 165.
165.
Divided by 3. All right. And how do we get the 3? Let me just put bracket there. It will be 10 subtract 7. All right. And what again?
165.
165. So that is the value of what? 1 share.
1 share.
No, class. Once you get this, you know, you basically done, you know. The question says what? Determine the sum of 1 shared. All right. So what is the sum? What's the sum ratios?
13 in all, 3 to 7 to 10.
No, man. Check it again.
It's
You
20.
mean 20, sir?
20, sorry,
20.
20.
20. So the sum ratio would be 3 plus 7 plus 10, which is 20. All right. So the total share, the total amount.
3,300.
All right. So the total amount will be 20. 20 multiplied by what? 165. You all see that? What you get, miss?
3,300.
All right. I know, so you can actually work out how much Christine get, you know. Hold on. Yeah.
The total amount, the 1 share. Would you subtract the total amount from the year
To get what?
To get Chris here.
Oh, dear, you're breaking up.
So
Sir,
for Christine's share, would you add the 495 to the 165?
No, man. Christine.
No.
Christine,
16 will get $1,650,
$50.
yes.
Yeah, because remember I said no, one share is 165, right? And Christine is what? 10. So to find out Christine share will be 10 times what? 165.
10 times 165.
Right. And how much Bruce gonna get now? 7 times what? 165.
1,155.
Right? And Albert gonna get 3 times what? 165. And if you add up all,
495.
right, and I can bet you that if you add up all of those, you'll get back the what? The 3,000 what?
3,300.
All right. Are you following, miss?
Yes, sir.
All right, beautiful. All right. I want you guys to try B. B down here, so. Remember that this part is a part of the question here. Try B for me. 5 minutes.
Sure.
You see, after the 5 minutes, I want you to post your answer in the chat. All right, but do not post your answers until I tell you to do so. And please post your answers in one line. So like you have part 1, part 2, and part 3. So don't put part 1 on one part and part 2 in the next message. Just put it in one line, okay? You follow?
Sir.
All right. And I want to see all 26 of you posting your answers. All right. Remember, everybody must participate or full participate.
Yeah, finish the error access again.
Sure.
Yes.
To find the total sum of money to be paid, would you add all the races and times it by the shares they gave?
Part A or part B you're talking?
B.
To find the total amount of money to be shared.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like A, you know. It's just like A, yeah? You have to find the value of one share. Find the value of one share. When you find the value of one share, you add 4 plus 7 plus 9 and you times it by the value of one share, okay? Follow?
Okay.
It's very similar.
Sir, sir? Somebody in that group tell me part
Yes, go ahead.
number 2 question. After we get the total, so my next question, sir.
Yours share.
Okay, I'm get that.
You're not seeing the question.
No, your screen gone.
Is that so, class?
Oh, it
No.
come back.
No,
You're-
sir.
It
Alright.
can happen to some people, sir.
No, man,
Let
it-
their screen come
Okay,
off
no,
temporarily.
it's okay.
All right, so that the last question said the percentage of the total amount of what?
That Maria receives. Okay, if you I see some person just joining. So if you just join in, hold on. If you just join in, please write out those questions. You're pretty late.
Sir, can you read B3 question?
All right, so it says the percentage of the total amount that Maria receives. The percentage of the total amount that Maria receives. All right, so let me try to help you out here. So to get that answer, see, all you need to do is to find out how much Maria received. All right, and divide that by the total amount. The total amount you'd have worked out in part 1. All right, and how you find the percentage of anything?
You put it over 100.
You times it by 100.
I'm by 100, yeah.
All right, so let me say it again. The answer for part 3, it says the percentage of the total amount that Maria receives. So you work out how much Maria go get. And you divide that by the total amount that you work out in part 1 and times it by 100, okay? Follow?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir,
Yes.
hello. When for the 1295, when I divide it, I am dividing by 2. Is that correct?
What are you trying to work out?
For the question, it says a sum of money is to be divided among Yuri, Anna, and Marie in the ratio of 479. If Anna's share amounts to 1295, calculate, and then it says the total sum of money to be shared. Help me to understand what you're referring to, please.
Did you just join?
No, sir.
All right, you're gonna have to wait until you'll have to wait here because it's a class activity. And then I'll explain.
Okay.
All right. So what I can tell you is that you need to find the value of. So let me ask a question. Do you understand how to work out A? That we just did a while ago. Miss, you going?
Yes, sir. I have an idea, but I'm doing it the same way you do A, and each time I do it, I get an answer. Like when I
It
divide
can't be the same. It can't be the same way, Miss. Because
that's
because
well, maybe I don't
the name they mix up, you know. The name they mix up.
Yes, but it wouldn't be the same format. You're not
Right.
doing
No man, the format
in the same format as
Mhm. No, because no, question A is different from B.
okay. Well, I guess I don't understand.
Question A is saying that Christine get what? 495 more than Bruce.
Yes.
All right, but what did B said? Is B?
B said
Hold on. The 1295. Hold on. The 1295. What does the 1295 represents?
Anna's amount.
Right. But in A, the 495, did that 495 represent Christine's amount?
No, you said
No.
she had
Right.
495 more than Bruce.
So let me ask a question. Suppose in A, suppose in A that suppose the question is if Christine received 495 and take out the more than Bruce part, how would you find the value of one share? If I take out the more than Bruce part.
I don't. If you take out what, sir?
More than Bruce.
Okay.
What would you do to find the value of one share?
I don't know.
Oh dear. You'd have to divide 495 by 10.
Okay.
Because 10 represents Christine. You get it?
Yes, sir.
Right. So use that hint to work out B.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Sir,
Yes?
the B, it said to find one share, right? So you would have divide 1,295 by 7.
You're asking or telling?
Asking.
Well, it's a class activity, you know. What do you think? You think it's correct? Would you divide by 4? Would you divide by 4 or 9?
No.
All right. And I think you know why too, you know.
Just want to make sure.
Eh?
Just want to make sure.
Just want to make sure. All right. As if you're finished, you can post your answers now in the chat.
Sorry, can you repeat I please the question?
All right. So part 3 says calculate the percentage of the total amount that Maria received. The percentage of the total amount that Maria received.
And so you said to do 3, you find Maria's share, then you divide it by the total amount, then times it by 100.
But you're bright, man. You're smart, man. You remember everything I'm say. but you doubt yourself. Yes, you're correct. As a matter of fact, you know, you see what you said a while ago is what the question says, you know, the question actually tell you. Because guess what? You have everything is there now. You have what Maria gets, and you have total and you have percentage. The three information that you need. Okay, guys, you have 5 more minutes remaining to post your answers. Please, whatever you have, put it up here. Whatever you have, because time is going. Yes, man. If even for one question, please post it because time is going.
Sir,
Yes.
you to find your real it be four by the one amount you get to find your share.
All right. Why you wouldn't put 7 or 9? Would you put-
Because
Mhm,
you ask for your share.
mhm.
So your share would be 4.
You ask and you tell him.
Telling.
Yeah, tell me. You sound like you're not sure.
Yes, sir, because your share is 4. You wouldn't use 7 or 9 because 7 is from and 9 is from Maria.
Okay. You're correct, man.
Sir,
Yes.
Kimelia here. I don't know how to post it, but my answer is
Hold on,
3,700 and you
hold on. What device are you using?
my cell phone.
Don't you see a chat icon somewhere?
No.
Look good, man. Look good.
Sir,
All right, hold on.
can I just tell I
No, no, no.
have?
Hold on. Let me tell you where it is. Let me join by my phone. No, because I'm using the hold on.
Sir, you would have to press more because I'm using my phone. You would have to press more
Yes.
and you see
Okay.
chat meetings background. So you would press chat to put in your answer.
You hear that, miss?
More and
Yes.
chat.
Look for more,
Yeah.
man. Look for more.
Type
Yes,
of
sir,
chat.
I just see. Thank you.
All right.
Oh.
Oh, you're the person
So-
who's doing online for the first time, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is so it work?
Yes, sir.
Is it working okay for you?
Yes, sir.
All right.
What the bracket? 3700, and then skip to here. So put B, B bracket,
All right, so I'm still waiting on about like 10 persons or 8 persons to post something. All right. Janus, their class and I eat KFC, you know. Some of you are eat KFC and Island Grill. And now pay attention. All right. Anybody eating KFC, you know? Or Island Grill? No?
So where would I get KFC from?
I don't know. Delivery. All right, so let me check the chat to see what you guys are doing. All right, so okay, so I'm seeing share put in 3 answers. Okay. I see iPhone put in our answer too. Don't know who iPhone is still, you know. Seeing Chad. Seeing Christina. Gabri. Only one from those persons. Osenelia.
Sir, I renamed it. I didn't realize it was iPhone.
Okay. Travisa, please do not mark on my screen. All right, I'm seeing Faulkner, Samuels, Tracian, Christina, Marlene, Danny, Wilson. All right, so I'm seeing some consistent answer. It's Thompson, Kimelia, Danny again, Travisa, Lawrence, Simone Service, Faulkner again, Kadian, and KCN. And Jayla. Is it Jayla? Did I pronounce it correct? All right, so I'm seeing some answers. Okay, Jayla. And Jayla, you can't open my can say yes, sir. All right. My name is shy one in class. Yeah, you're not a shy one. No? All right, guys. Okay, let's look at B. So B, part 1. All right, so it says a sum of money is divided among Yuri, Anna, and Maria in a ratio of 4:7 to 9. If Anna share amounts to 12.95, So this question is telling us that Anna get what? 12.95. Which is different from A. A never said that, no. A said Christine get 4.95 more than Bruce, which is something a little different. So we have to subtract 7 from 10 to get 3, and then divide that into 4.95 to get 165. All right, but B is a little bit different. This B is just saying that Anna get X amount. All right, so to find the value of one share, so one share is 12.95 divided by Anna. No, Anna would be 7, not true?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Because it's in the middle, not true? And what is that?
3,700.
Say it again?
100.
85.
3,700. No,
180.
185, sir. 185, sorry.
Okay. Or you guys were giving the final answer. So that is the value
Yes,
of one share.
185
So the total share, well, the total
times 20.
right, would be equal to 20. All right, and we get the 20 from the sum of what?
Yes.
4 plus 7.
4, 7, and 9. And 9.
And we times up by what? 185, that's true.
Yes, sir.
All right, and what's that answer now?
3,700.
3,700.
700. So that's the correct answer. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
I saw some persons, some different answers, so you know. All right. Part two says calculate your share. So, I mean, if you know the value of one share, so your share will be
4.
before. So it will be 4.
4.
4 times
4 divided.
Times 185.
4 times 185.
185. 4 times 185 here.
Four times 180. All right,
Seven.
let me see that.
Which is what?
740.
740.
740.
Oh.
Any questions so far? Are we following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. The last part now says what? The percentage of the total amount that Maria received. Now, Maria will not get
1,295.
would be 9, not true?
No, that would have been one. Mario would get in all 1,665 because the times and 9 by the 1.5.
Oh, I think a mistake was there.
So it will be 9. Yeah, Maria will be 9, right?
Yes, sir.
By 185. All right. So Maria is 9 times 185. What's 9 times 185?
1,665.
So it's 1,665.
Yes.
All right. So the question says, what is the percentage of the total amount that Maria received? So the percentage would be
The percentage would be 45.
all right. It would be what? 1665.
Divided by 3 times
The total amount, not true? Which is what?
45%.
Which is 3,700. And to find the percentage, we just multiply by what? 100.
100.
And I believe that's the answer, not true?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
Sir, my answer showed off because instead of doing multiplication, I did division.
Where did you divide?
Where you share, but instead of doing 4 times 185, I did 4 divided by 3,700. So
No.
that's where I got showed off.
Okay. You wouldn't divide right here. So
Yeah.
So when I divide the 1665 by 300 by 3,700, I got 75. I did not multiply it by 100.
oh, well, to find percentage, you have to times it by 100 here.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any more questions? All right. No, I want you in computation in your booklet that you bought. If you look at computation 1, the first part is all about what? Ratio, not true?
Yes.
So I want you guys to read through it. You have some practice questions. All right, the answer at the back, and your practice on your what? On your own. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, in addition to okay, Jayla and share. All right, guys, I'm going to send I'm going to send an assignment to you, okay? But I'm going to send it to WhatsApp. So check your WhatsApp. This must be done on folder leave. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So use your textbook for additional questions and then try to answer those questions. It is 6 questions. All right? All right, and this must be done. This is individual work, not group work. This must be done on folder leave and presented to me next class, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right,
So I'm not finished.
but again,
Can't finish it again?
I'm not hearing. Hold on. Somebody's, hold on. Start now. Some of the mic was, I hear like a funnel blow. All right, someone was saying something. You can go ahead and speak. All right. You guys want a short break?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm gonna give you a short break. Okay, a 5-minute break.
Sir, after this, are you gonna do map reading?
Well, hopefully, yeah. Well, we're gonna look at conversion, metric conversion, and then, you know. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm gonna, because we started half an hour late, I'm gonna take back my half an hour. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay, so we end at 3:30 or 3:20.
Okay, sir.
So please do not leave the platform. Just stay on it, because, you know,